Welcome back to the printing workshop. Today we're going to be taking a look at how easy it is to change out your toners on a Xerox VersaLink C500 or C505 printer. First thing to do is open this top front cover, and then here's your 4 toners. You'll grab the toner by the handle and pull straight out. Now when you go back in with your new one, you'll take it out of the box, you'll give it a couple shakes, and there'll be these little plastic black pins, and those will go into these holes on the white front cover. Line those up, and then you'll push the toner in until it seats, and then close your front cover. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.